so you told me there was a manufacturing capability you had today. Like, how quickly does this ramp? Like, what are the numbers?
Yeah, our big push is to get to scale production to kick off that new facility assembly line before the end of next year.
And so this year you're stuck in your current facility making what you can make, and they're basically marketing vehicles.
Yeah, I really look at 2021 this year as building the foundation for this next. I mean, ultimately building the foundation for the next decade of
Right.
fleshing out the product family, getting all of the various business models that make sense in play. So that would be things like, we have one destination rental outlet open now in Key West. That's definitely a piece of the rental business model. But like you were saying, in certain areas, ride sharing is going to be a much more vehicle sharing type as a service is going to be a much better model, certainly for urban areas. So that's going to be a different piece of the puzzle. Ultimately, we see a near-term opportunity with autonomy, and that's something else that so 2021 is a year where we really, I think, to a broad degree, articulate the big picture of Arcimoto's product family and business strategy. And then 2022 and beyond is just scale.
So you move into the factory when?
We are slated to close imminently. It's probably going to be just after the turn of the quarter.
Cool.
And then the present owner actually is going to be leasing it back from us for several months as they move into their new facility. And then we're going to have quite a lot of work to do to get it upfit for volume production.
Yeah, so you've got some time. Okay. So really, from an investor perspective, because we're long-term investors, really what we're looking at is, this is a 5-year investment strategy to get to where in production in 5 years.
In the 5-year time frame, we're targeting the hundreds of thousands of units volume.
Okay, that's what I thought. So it's like, really, you want to scale to a company that's making, let's say, 250,000 of these in 5 years.
Yeah, well, and I mean, the mission of the company is to catalyze sustainable transportation. You don't do that unless you build a lot of them.
Right. So really, this first facility is sort of like a bigger model of what you have now, and then you're going to like do it again.
Yeah, no, this one is really what we're doing essentially now is prototyping mass production.
Right.
So figuring out how to really build these at high volume. And then with that pattern developed, copy, paste in all of the markets where we think it makes sense for Arcimoto product.
It's like, good. It's really exciting. It's like, it's so cool to see this. This is my favorite thing about investing. It's like you invest in companies and you put a vision in place and I see the vision and I think it can be successful and so it's exciting to watch.